Dino Debari Life Stories. Ahchoo, ahchoo, cough, cough. Warm spring has come. New sprouts come up with a pop. Flowers bloom with a whoosh, and butterflies fly with a flutter. Debari and his dino friends have also come out to enjoy the spring breeze.
Wow! Butterfly!
Ooh! Come with me!
So many places to jump! Such fragrance!
Yeah! Whoosh, whoosh. As the spring breeze flowed, Debari's nose felt ticklish. It seemed like he was just about to sneeze when...
Achoo!
Debari, you should cover your mouth when you're sneezing! You're getting spit all over us!
Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, it's the spring breeze. Debari's nose felt ticklish again.
Achoo!
This time, Debari quickly covered his mouth with his hands.
Cough! Cough!
Oh! Debari was coughing in his kindergarten room.
Oh!
It seemed he had gotten a cold while out on his spring stroll the day before.
Oh!
Debari remembered to cover his mouth with his hands when coughing. Oh dear. You must have a cold, Debari. It's a good habit to cover your mouth with your hands when coughing. But both hands. There you go. Oh, so sorry for you. But you might get germs on your hands. So you should cover your mouth with a tissue or handkerchief. Here, this one's new.
Oh, thank you.
Debari's kindergarten teacher, concerned, handed him a handkerchief.
All right, I'll use it.
All right.
Thank you.
Go wash your hands thoroughly with soap.
Okay, sir. Right now.
Debari washed his hands sparkly clean, as his teacher instructed.
Scrub, scrub. 15 seconds. 20 seconds. I'm so clean. No more germs.
Debari, when you go home today, drink lots of water, eat well, and get plenty of sleep. You'll feel better soon. If you still feel unwell, you can take a day off at home tomorrow. Remember that.
Okay, sir. Will do. Yum. Eggs. Water. Refreshing. Lots of water. Just for my throat. Lots of sleep. Good dreams. Or no dreams.
Debari went home and did exactly as his teacher told.
Feel better.
He didn't want to miss kindergarten class. He drank lots of water and got plenty of sleep. The next day, his coughing stopped.
Good as new.
Good morning.
Mom, I can go to kindergarten today, right? Right.
Oh, of course, my dear.
Yay! I can go back, see my friends, not be sick.
Have fun.